Hey there.
Ice in here.
There it is. There's ice. Look at the shovel stuck in there. That's too funny. Here's our big snow of 2009, January 20th, Inauguration Day for Barack Obama. All around an interesting, different kind of day. Oh yeah. Say hello.
Hello.
Helen's got her big snow there. Don't throw it at the camera, love. Ooh, my hands are cold. I gotta put my gloves on. And let's go back over to Joe. How do you like it, babe? And we look up, and it's just all nice and snowy. We look down the driveway, walk to the front of the house. Still snowing from above. Not sure if the resolution is good enough to catch that.
Hello.
And front of the house. Alright, I'll stop this for now because my hands are freezing. You might need a shovel. I'll get a shovel.